Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2011 Audi S5. This one has the S-Tronic automatic transmission, which is a dual clutch, I do believe. This one has the supercharged V6. So I think around 2013 they changed to a turbocharged setup. This one is the supercharged setup. So this one, I believe, has AWE, catback exhaust, a couple little aftermarket goodies. With a CTS turbo intake, which makes this thing sound so darn good. This one's not for sale. This one's going to auction, just because going into winter with the mods and all that. I also do believe it is tuned as well. But with the mods going into winter, it's just not a car that I want to have sitting on the lot. All right, so S1. Let's go for a drive. I actually have a very personal connection to these cars. The car I took to prom was a 2013 S5 manual. That's the one thing I like about the supercharger, is the whine. Turbo one sounds good, but it doesn't have that whine. much fun. They're like the perfect grand touring car too, because when you're just cruising, they are extremely comfortable. This one has the Bang & Olufsen sound system on top of it. So, I mean, this thing is absolutely awesome daily drive, especially for New England. It's all-wheel drive. Who doesn't love a Murano Cross Cabriolet? Ironically, it has a Porsche Nashua plate frame, so I think they may have sold that thing. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.